morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Can artificial intelligence truly replace human judgment, empathy, and connection? Klarna thought so. They laid off 700 employees, betting that automation would bring better results. But what followed was a wake-up call, dear friends. In this episode, we explore Klarna's journey from bold disruption to human reintegration and the lesson every AI-powered business must learn. Dear friends, Klarna was flying high, a fintech unicorn known for innovation. In 2023, it took a daring step. It let go of 700 employees, aiming to replace them with artificial intelligence and automation. The logic, of course, speed, efficiency, scalability. AI tools like customer service bots and automated backend system would handle work human used to do. For a while, it looked like a win. Customer response time improved. The company showcased glowing metrics. But numbers didn't tell the whole story. Behind the scenes, things were unraveling. Customers began to feel the change, not in speed, but in quality. Their questions were met with cold, robotic answers. AI couldn't handle none. It missed the emotion, the empathy, the very human side of service. It wasn't just about customer. Internally, Klarna was facing a storm. Yes, remaining staffs were overloaded. Collaborations took a hit. What they gained in speed, they lost in soul. AI had automated the task, but it has erased the connection. Klarna soon realized AI could assist, but not replace the human touch. In a bold reversal, they began rehiring humans for the very roles AI had taken over. Because when a frustrated customer needs clarity, when someone's tone needs compassion, not can replace. Only a human truly understands. It was a humbling moment for the tech world. Even at the cutting edge, human intelligence still matters. Let's be clear, AI is powerful and it's changing the world. Automation works best when it amplifies people, not when it replaces them. Klarna's case teaches us a vital lesson. Just because something can be automated doesn't mean it should be. AI can follow rules, but humans read between the lines. AI can generate words, but humans understand context, emotion, and meaning. The best system, they combine machine efficiency with human empathy. Difference, we are standing at a crossend. One road leads to a future of cold automation, where cost cutting takes priority over connection. The other road leads to collaborative intelligence, where AI empowers humans without replacing what makes us human. Klarna chose the first road. They have now turned around. And their story is a powerful reminder for every business, every employee, and every innovator. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video, dear friends. Happy learning.